Welcome to Gino's Creative Cooking. If you are new here, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe after watching this video. Give it a thumbs up and share.
And some tasty organic lentil soup. Organic lentil soup. Some of the lentils, I will not be blending them. I will leave them as they are, as you see them. And what are the ingredients you will need? You're gonna need some organic garlic, ginger, carrots, tomatoes, onions, and even organic coconut milk. Even some honey to make it more tastier. Let's keep watching. Make this I'm gonna make some soup out of some of this. I'm gonna blend it. Can see it's a little bit thick, so I'm gonna add some coconut water, or you can just add some boiled water. Yep, if you want it liquidy, or you can eat it like that. It's up to you. It's how you like it. Yummy. Now it's a little bit liquidy, a bit.